back to my channel. So today I have a DIY for you guys today. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do these bling sticks. They are used for candy apples. So I just recently got into this whole candy apple thing because I was like, I wanted to try it out. And I saw that a lot of people that do candy apples, a lot of them, you know, use these. So I was doing some research online and I saw that, you know, you can buy them already done or you can do them yourself, which it was a lot cheaper doing them yourself versus buying them already done. But anyway, this is my first time trying them, so I hope they come out, you know, good. But if not, it's okay. It's a try. It's a DIY, so it's subject to mess up. But anyway, with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. I have is my sticks, my rhinestones, and hot glue gun and scissors. Now, to start off, like I said, this is my first time trying to do this, so I mean, I hope it turns out alright. I mean, it can't be but so hard. I noticed that the rhinestones, they are got pre-glue on them already, so they stick. But from my last experience, I did not hot glue them down, and when I went to turn the apples, they was falling off. So I said I was going to attempt to try them again, but this time I was going to try them with hot glue. So once again, with experimenting, I found out the best way is to put them on here first, like that. Bring it up close for you guys. Stick it on there like that. Once you get it where you want it to, pull it back like this all the way to the last rhinestone. Take your hot glue gun and just go straight up the stick. Like that. And I'll just try to make it straight as possible. And you're gonna have like excess glue, which is okay, you just pull it off. And with that being said, because we want straight up, we're gonna have a little glue. The bottom one may not be glued all the way, but that's okay. You got majority of them are glued, so that's a good thing. So you're just gonna take another strip, which by the way, my strips, my rhinestones are 15 down. So depending on how big your apples is, depending on how far you would stick your rhinestones. My apples are probably the size of your hand, palm size. So with that, I don't need but so much stick going into the apple. Let me see from here to here, because I don't want it to come through on the other end. So what I'm going to do next is lay my rhinestones down. And the thing about this is the hot glue, it dries like really quick, so you got to be fast with it. That's another thing I noticed, because I was putting them on the back of the strip and then put them on there, but by the time I get to the top, the glue done dry, and then you got bulks of glue behind the rhinestones, and when you put more glue on it, it just make it bulgy. So I put it on here, pull it back all the way down to the last rhinestone, I take the glue and I go straight up the stick, and I take that and I go right up the stick, just like that. That way you're having time to get your rhinestones on there before it glues. So going on to the next one, which it takes 4 to go around, so 15 up and 4 across. So now what I do for my top piece here, if I can get it to focus, what I do for is that I have a little sheet here, just some long strip. I take it and I just cut one. So got one. One here, and I pull the plastic back. Take it, one drop. Take my rhinestone and I drop it there and pour the excess glue off. Look at that. So I think it came out pretty good for my first time. I know it's not perfect, but it came out amazing, better than what I thought it would. So that way now when I take my candy apples and I'm dipping, they're not falling off. So I'm dipping, I'm twisting and turning, and they're in place. So I have the remaining of my sticks here that has to be done. So I am going to go on and do the remaining of my sticks. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my DIY bling sticks. They came out okay, not perfection, but for my first try they came out really good. I would say that. I would definitely do it again, and I know the more you do them the better they will get, but for it to be my first try, like, I felt like I was very successful. So thumbs up to me. Anyways, if you do make these, comment below and let me know the material, the blings that you use, because I found mine at Walmart. I mean, I could have probably found them on Amazon. I just didn't know what I was looking for. But anyway, comment below and let me know what you use or where you get your blings from. Okay, and give this video a thumbs up, comment on this video. Also like and subscribe. Okay, so until the next time, until the next DIY, thanks for watching. Bye.